All right, so we ran the Baughman Gold from that downspout to a tie-in on the outdoor sump pump basin, and then we ran that downspout to another tie-in. Then we had two pipes, high octane and the Baughman Gold for a yard drainage pipe. Go over that again in a minute. So here's our discharge line. We're going up gradually because the fence is on an angle this way. So we're going up gradually. I'll explain that as we make progress there. And what we did is in the winter time, this is January in Michigan, you know, the situation is so much different. You know, we do pretty good in the spring and fall. I mean, somehow we managed to get through that, but we ran into a tree stump, which is not uncommon. You know, you get into a job and you find out there was a big old tree 5 years ago taken down, and well, long story short, man, we had to dig through a bunch of wood. But we have a yard drain, and somebody in our comments said, hey, why not blind inlets? Okay, so great question. There's too much bulk water here, just far too much bulk water here. So we put in a yard drain in our French drain. So the Baughman Gold is inside the burrito wrap with the high octane. I'll actually put this all together for you guys because I just been shooting it live raw, and honestly I just wanted to get this thing done, and we just want to get out of here because the weather's going to turn against us. But I just wanted to show you. So here's a collection area for the bulk water. There's one of the inlet basins right there. Always recess that low so that the water, because remember, water can't defy gravity and just come up and go inside a catch basin. That's for bulk water, because all that water that's running in off the sports fields behind here, because there's a school behind here. So we got an inlet basin there, got an inlet basin here, and then we got an inlet basin right here. That's all on the Baughman Gold, the solid yellow. It's separate from the French drain pipe. You never want to put a basin on your French drain pipe because all kinds of garbage ends up in it. We could always flush the Baughman Gold out, but once your French drain is full of garbage, you know, you just put basically an expiration date on your yard drain system. So Ian's spreading some grass seed over here. I just wanted to show you guys, like, this is a broadcaster just for grass seed. I love it. It's efficient, it's accurate, and when we dormant plant in December and January, we get 50% of the seed to grow. And then when we dormant plant in February, I get 75% of the seed to grow. So we have a high success rate with the dormant planting when we're doing work in December, January, February. All right, guys.